To fix the issue where the Siri app isn't showing your conversation history across devices signed in with the same Apple ID, here's the solution. First, enable Siri in iCloud to start syncing your conversations on your MacBook. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner and open System Settings. Now, click your Apple ID at the top and open iCloud. Under See All, find Siri and turn on the Sync This Mac toggle. You're all set. You can also choose how long you want to keep your Siri conversations. By default, it's set to Forever. If you're running low on iCloud storage, choose 30 days or 1 year to automatically delete older Siri conversations. Now, go back and click Done to save your changes. Keep your MacBook connected to Wi-Fi, then open the Siri app and wait a few seconds or a few minutes for your conversations to sync. It may take longer if your MacBook is busy with other background tasks. Now, let's check the second solution. Under General, click Software Update. If a new update is available, download and install it on your MacBook. If syncing still doesn't start, restart your MacBook. This has helped some users fix the issue. That's it. You're all set. Still having the same problem? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.